Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the car safe. Disconnect the battery negative terminal and wait 10 minutes so airbags and electronics reset. Next, remove the lower glove box, undo 3 screws and pop the plastic clips, pulling straight out to expose fasteners. Once done, open the hood and remove cowl clips along the windshield to free the upper trim. This gives you access to hidden screws. Make sure to keep screws grouped and labeled so reassembly is straightforward, and you avoid mismatched parts later. Now proceed to the vehicle's center stack and instrument area. Remove the center console trim by taking out 4 visible screws, and if needed, shift the shifter to neutral for clearance. Carefully pry trim with a plastic tool to avoid scratching. Once free, unplug HVAC and audio connectors, usually 2 to 4 plugs, press tabs, and pull straight out. Then remove the instrument cluster bezel by prying gently and undoing about 6 screws. Disconnect the cluster harness so the dashboard face can be lifted without stressing wires. To remove the dashboard, you'll support it with a padded prop, then loosen hidden bolts under the A-pillars and footwells. Lift the dash forward evenly to prevent snagging. As it comes free, disconnect all remaining wiring harnesses and airbag connectors. Label each plug so reinstallation is easy. Once removed, inspect brackets and foam mounts, then reassemble in reverse order, testing lights, HVAC, and airbags. If you see dash warning lights or odd noises, recheck connectors and grounding. A loose ground.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.